The second strongest air force in the world after United States of America, Russian Air Force has many top-class aircraft in its arsenal. In this video, we are going to tell you everything you need to know about the Su-57. So hang tight till the end, because from its design to its weapons, we will miss nothing. Just before we start the video, make sure you are subscribed to War Secrets and also turn the notifications on for the channel. Now, without any further delay, let's start. Design. The Su-57 will be a 5th-generation multi-role fighter aircraft and the first operational stealth aircraft for the Russian Air Force. Although most information is classified, sources within the Sukhoi Company and Defense Ministry have openly stated that the aircraft is to be stealthy, super maneuverable, have super cruise capability, incorporates substantial amounts of composite materials, and possesses advanced avionics such as active phase array radar and sensor fusion. The Su-57 has a blended wing body fuselage and incorporates all moving horizontal and vertical stabilizers. The vertical stabilizers tow inwards to serve as the aircraft's air brake. The aircraft incorporates thrust vectoring and has adjustable leading-edge vortex controllers designed to control vortices generated by the leading-edge route extensions and can provide trim and improve high angle of attack behavior, including a quick stall recovery if the thrust vectoring system fails. The advanced flight control system and thrust vectoring nozzles make the aircraft departure resistant and highly maneuverable in both pitch and yaw, enabling the aircraft to perform a very high angle of attack maneuvers such as the Pugachev's Cobra and the Bell maneuver, along with doing flat rotations with little altitude loss. The aircraft's aerodynamics and engines enable it to achieve Mach-2 and is also capable of flying supersonic flight without afterburners or super cruise. The high cruising speed and normal operating altitude is also expected to give it a significant kinematic advantage over prior generations of aircraft. The aircraft will make extensive use of composites. On the first prototype, composites comprise 25% of the structural weight and almost 70% of outer surface. Second stage prototype will increase the usage of composite material, as well as wider wingspan, stronger airframe, and the possibility to install newer engines. According to Sukhoi design engineer Alexander Shkoda, the airframe has a good balance between durability and weight, as shown during in-house testing to test the limit of its tensile strength characteristics. The test achieved a breaking point of 104% of maximum design load. An excellent result will be attained if the aircraft's breaking point proves to be between 99 and 104% of the maximum load calculated by engineers during design work, while a result more than 104% will mean that the airframe is too heavy. Weapons are housed in the two tandem main weapons bay between the engine nacelles and smaller bulge, triangular section bays near the wing root. Internal weapon carriage eliminates drag from external stores and enables higher performance compared to the external carriage, as well as enhancing stealth. Engine. The Su-57 is an outcome of the Russian Air Force PAK-FA 5th-generation fighter jet program, codenamed Felon by NATO. Su-57 is a twin-engine stealth fighter that will be used in both anti-air and air-to-ground operations. Being developed by Sukhoi Design Bureau and Russian Aircraft Corporation, the aircraft performed its maiden flight in August 2019. The first stealth-capable fighter jet of Russia will provide advanced capabilities to the country's armed forces regarding stealth, speed, weapons, and sensors. The aircraft will be equipped with multi-mission capability, automation, and artificial intelligence technologies to significantly boost the capabilities of the Russian Air Force. It will eventually replace the Air Force MiG-29 and Su-27 4th-generation aircraft. Felon offers a supersonic range of more than 1,500 km, more than 2 times the range of the Su-27 fighter. The fighter jet is currently powered by Lzdeliye 117 AL-41F1 augmented turbofans. Future production batches will be equipped with the new Lzdeliye 30 engines. Thanks to the improved aerodynamics, Sukhoi Su-57 can cruise at a speed of Mach 2 without the use of afterburners. It can achieve a range of up to 3,500 km while traveling at subsonic speeds. Russia is also looking to field the S-70 Okhotnik strike drone alongside the Su-57 in a teaming arrangement in warlike situation. The stealth-capable drone is also likely to be deployed as a loyal wingman for the Sukhoi Su-57 fighter. Advanced engines and aerodynamics enable the Su-57 super cruise, sustain supersonic flight without using afterburners. Combined with high fuel load, the fighter has a supersonic range of over 1,500 km, more than twice that of the Su-27. Extendable refueling probe is available to further increase its range. In the Su-57's design, Sukhoi addressed what it considered to be the F-22's limitations, such as its inability to use thrust vectoring to induce roll and yaw moments, and a lack of space for weapons bay between the engines, and complications for stall recovery if thrust vectoring fails. Weaponry. The Su-57 features centerline weapons bay capable of housing up to 4 Kh-77M medium-range active radar guided missiles for beyond visual range engagement, while 2 short-range Kh-74M2s are accommodated inside base in the underwing fairings. In 2018, it was further revealed that Felon can also use the Kh-37M long-range air-to-air missile, capable of engaging targets at up to 110 nautical mile distance in head-on attacks. The tandem internal base between the engine can also house large-size air-to-surface and anti-ship missiles, as well as large guided bombs. When stealth is not required, the Su-57 can carry missiles and bombs on at least 4 underwing pylons, plus 2 more under the engine trunks. In these missions, the aircraft is advertised as being capable of delivering heavy warloads of up to 11,000 pounds. In March and April 2016, the T-52 prototype was spotted involved in aerodynamic flight trials, carrying 6 distinctly old-fashioned OFAB 250 270 freefall fragmentation, high-expensive dumb bombs. It also features the proven 30mm GSH-30-1 single-barrel cannon as used on the Su-27 or 35 and MiG-29, albeit in a vastly improved version dubbed the 9A14071K. It is installed starboard with a barrel protruding adjacent to the cockpit and is provided with 150 rounds. The air-to-surface precision-guided arsenal includes the newly developed Kh-38 modular missile that uses a variety of guidance packages, plus the Kh-58 USHK long-range anti-radar missile optimized for internal carriage and 2 new versions of the Mach-3 Kh-31 missile. The Kh-31AD, intended for use against ships, is outfitted with an active radar seeker and has a maximum range of 86 nautical mile, while the Kh-31PD is designed for knocking out radars with a passive radar seeker and a maximum range coded as 135 nautical mile. The Kh-35U is another anti-ship missile touted for the Su-57 with range of up to 140 nautical mile. There is also a range of guided bombs with laser, TV and satellite guidance systems set to be incorporated into the Su-57, such as the 550-pound KAB-250 and the 3,360-pound KAB-1500. In 2019, the Tactical Missiles Corporation showed to the public 2 brand new guided bomb types with satellite or INS guidance packages, which can be carried by the Su-57. The first of these is the K-08BE, weighing 1,113 pounds, and the second one is K-029BE, weighing 3,361 pounds. Boris Osbanov, Director General at the Tactical Missile Corporation, hinted in August 2018 that his company could start developing new generation guided bombs weighing 220 pounds and possibly 110 pounds for the Felon. The Su-57 is also set to use new generation, special purpose and guided bombs such as the 1,100-pound OFZAB 350 and the ODAB 500 BMV with a thermobaric warhead. Top 5 facts about Su-57. Side-facing cheek mounted radars. This feature was promised in F-22 Raptors of the USAF, but was never delivered. The AESA X-brand Raiders supplement the aircraft primarily nose-mounted X-brand N036 Bielka AESA Raider. Its main advantage is that it allows the Su-57 pilot to execute a key tactic better than any other aircraft in the world, known as beaming. Beaming means when a fighter turns 90 degrees away from the enemy's pulse Doppler radar array. Infrared search and track. The Su-57 sports an advanced 101 KS Atoll infrared search and track sensor in the tradition position on Russian fighters installed atop the aircraft's nose. 3D thrust vectoring. 3D thrust vectoring allows some incredible acrobat feats at lower as well as higher altitudes. Unique weapon bay configuration. It has a very unique tandem weapons bay, which allows it to carry 4 to 6 air-to-air missiles. It is also capable of carrying Kh-47 M2 Kinzhal missile, which is not only a nuclear-capable missile, but also travels at hypersonic speed. That's all for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like the video and also share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. We'll see you all in the next video. Till then, stay tuned to our secrets. Bye!